Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Bitget application. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your Bitget application. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, click on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now again click on the Deposit Crypto button. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin or type BTC in the search bar. Tap on it. Now pay close attention to this part. For Bitcoin, you should always choose the BTC network. You might see other options like BEP20. These are different networks and using the wrong one can result in permanent loss of your crypto. After selecting the BTC network, you will see a QR code and your Bitcoin wallet address below it. Click on copy to get the address or use the QR code if you are transferring from mobile wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Bitget application. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.